If you've ever wondered whether it's actually possible to make money while you sleep, the answer is yes. But not in the way social media sometimes makes it look. It's not magic, and it's definitely not instant. The truth is, the only way you make money while you're not working is by owning assets. Assets are things that continue generating income whether you're active or not. Today, I want to walk you through 5 beginner-friendly assets that can pay you even when you're sleeping, traveling, or simply living your life. We'll start with the most modern and scalable, and then move toward the more traditional and stable options. Let's begin with content monetization. Content monetization is one of the most powerful assets in today's digital world because attention has become currency. When you create content, whether on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, a blog, or a podcast, you are building something that can continue working long after you hit publish. A video you upload today can still generate views, ad revenue, and even new followers years from now. That's powerful. Once you build an audience, there are multiple ways to monetize it. You can earn through ad revenue when platforms place ads on your content. You can partner with brands for sponsorship deals. You can promote affiliate products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Over time, your old content becomes a library, a digital asset that continues attracting attention without you having to recreate it every day. Now, I want to be honest here. Content monetization is not passive in the beginning. It requires effort, consistency, and patience. You have to show up even when you're not seeing results. But once you build momentum and your content catalog grows, it starts working for you. It's like planting seeds. At first, nothing seems to be happening, but eventually you start harvesting. The beautiful thing is that the barrier to entry is low. If you have a smartphone and internet access, you can start. And because the internet is global, your audience isn't limited to your city or even your country. Someone across the world can watch your content while you're asleep, and you still get paid. The second asset is digital product creation. This is where you create something once and sell it repeatedly without worrying about inventory, shipping, or physical production. Digital products can include ebooks, online courses, printable planners, design templates, stock photos, music, software, or even simple tools like budgeting spreadsheets. What makes digital products so powerful is scalability. If you create a useful ebook and 10 people buy it today, that's great. But if 1,000 people buy it next month, your workload doesn't increase. You don't have to reproduce it physically. The same file is delivered automatically. Of course, the work happens up front. You need to understand a problem people are willing to pay to solve. You need to package your knowledge or skill into something valuable, and you need to market it. But once it's built and positioned correctly, it becomes an asset that operates 24/7. Someone can purchase your product at 3 in the morning while you're sleeping. There are no office hours online. That's the beauty of digital leverage. You're not trading time for money anymore. You're building something that earns independently of your daily effort. Now let's shift into traditional investing, starting with dividend ETFs. A dividend is simply a portion of a company's profit that is paid out to shareholders. When you own shares of a company that pays dividends, you receive regular payments just for holding those shares. An ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund, allows you to invest in a collection of companies instead of just one. So rather than picking a single stock and hoping it performs well, you spread your investment across many companies at once. This reduces risk and makes it more beginner-friendly. Dividend ETFs specifically focus on companies that have a history of paying consistent dividends. These are often stable, established companies that generate steady cash flow. When you invest in a dividend ETF, you typically receive payments quarterly, sometimes monthly, depending on the fund. The real magic here is compounding. When you reinvest those dividends back into the ETF, you begin earning dividends on top of dividends. Over time, that snowball grows. You don't have to manage employees, create products, or chase clients. You simply own a piece of profitable businesses around the world. While the stock market does fluctuate, long-term investors who stay consistent often benefit from both dividend income and potential growth in share value. Next is real estate investment trusts, commonly known as REITs. Many people assume that investing in real estate means buying property, dealing with tenants, fixing maintenance issues, and needing large amounts of capital. But REITs offer a simpler way to participate in real estate without becoming a landlord. A REIT is a company that owns income-producing properties such as apartment buildings, office spaces, shopping centers, hospitals, or warehouses. When you buy shares of a REIT, you are essentially investing in those properties collectively. What makes REITs attractive is that, in many countries, they are legally required to distribute most of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. That means you receive income generated from rents and property operations. Finally, let's talk about money market funds. This is the most conservative and stable option on the list. Money market funds invest in short-term, high-quality debt instruments, such as government securities and large corporate obligations. In simple terms, your money is being lent out in very low-risk, short-term arrangements, and you earn interest in return. The returns are typically lower than stocks or real estate, but the stability is much higher. Money market funds are ideal for emergency savings or short-term financial goals. Instead of leaving your cash sitting in a regular account, earning little to nothing, you can place it in a money market fund and earn modest returns while maintaining liquidity. It's not flashy and it won't double your money quickly, but it protects your capital while keeping it productive. For beginners, especially those who are still building confidence in investing, this can be a smart starting point. At the end of the day, building assets is about shifting from only earning income through effort to also earning through ownership. Content monetization and digital products require creativity and upfront work, but offer high scalability. Dividend ETFs and REITs allow you to earn from established businesses and properties around the world. Money market funds provide stability and safety. You don't have to start with all five. Choose one that fits your current situation, build it steadily, and then expand. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built by stacking assets that continue working long after you stop. The goal isn't just to work for money. The goal is to own things that work for you.